Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner first and use your login credentials to log into your account. Now, from your dashboard, if you don't see the Novel AI beta pane at the left side, then you will see the expand button. Go ahead and click on this button and you will be able to see this now. Now from this page, click on the gear icon, which will take you into your user settings page. Now right from your user settings page, if you click on interface, you will find the UI language feature. You can click on the drop down menu at the right side and now you can choose from the available languages within the Novel AI application. And as soon as you choose on your desired language, all of the interface will immediately be changed. Once you have your desired language, you can directly close this window and your settings will immediately be applied. You can come back to this menu at any time and change your language as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.